we have an arrangement here that is where it's possible to make a dynamo, a motor that would generate electricity or do work or whatever using gyroscopic precession in an arrangement that allows the spin power to convert to torque power. And I'll show you how much this thing weighs. So we're looking at pretty near 20, just about 21 pounds. 21 pounds by times approximately 10 inches, so it's about 210 inch-pounds of torque that it would take to lift that. Now we'll just show what it takes to turn this just by its own friction and inertia and all that. So we've actually moved that into about 2 inch-pounds that it takes to turn that. Now, this is a 24 volt motor, DC motor, and it spins about 1700 RPM at 12 volts and 4200 at 24 volts. So we'll boost up the speed a little bit here. Now that rotation from inertia is interesting too, because that happens. It messes up a lot of experiments. So now we have 12 volts. We'll let it spin up. We've got to disconnect the wires after we let it spin up. Now, we'll just wind that up and it'll lift that wheel, and that's spinning fairly slow now, but we're lifting this 200 inch-pounds and we're not moving any more than we moved when there were no inch-pounds. That's sustaining itself too gyroscopically. It's just about the right speed to do that. So now we can accelerate that and lift it a little further. There's a limit on this hinge, so we're at the limit. Now we can let it go down by just putting a counter force. Now we add it up to get it lifted up again. And again, we're not exceeding the static do nothing while we're actually in a freewheeling system that holds that 200 inch-pounds. And a lot of people confuse this as if it's going against gravity, but again, it's just a torque. You have the base here for the torque arm at one point of lever, and then of course the outside weight that wants to go down. So we're actually developing that force. Now, to make a motor out of this, that's why I want to stop this. It actually took about 100 inch-pounds to stop it. So basically that shows that gyroscopics, when you introduce a spin into a static mass, you can do work without paying any price for it. Now the price you paid, of course, was putting the power to the wheel to get it to spin in the first place. Now, whatever way you want to convert the fact that the wheel is just spinning itself down at the same time, but you really don't see an accelerated spin down even when you're doing the work.